So I just went to defrost again, and we already got some ice. Holy crap. I think there's some steam already. There's even ice on the unit. So just went to defrost again. This is neat, all of it. Look at that. You can just like do that. That's nice. Now the unit's gonna sound bad. You see this? I'm gonna be up right all of it. I wanna know this. See that, but that's sorry, it's probably dripping again. It's like it's below the freezer right now. It's like 28 degrees. Oh, there's some steam, and the wind's pushing the blades again. Okay, so in the steam already. Good. Good thing I put up to turn up the thermostat, so good looking at me here. So ice in the unit, so it's gonna sound awful after it turns on. Cause last week it was like that too. It's like freaking 28 degrees, feels like 19 or something. And I'm ready to go back in. But I still gotta freaking wait to let this turn back on. This feels like the freaking tank. It feels like it's gonna be in the digits or the negatives. There's probably some ice on the unit or something inside. It's been defrosting for 5 minutes. And there it goes. Now for 30 seconds it should kick back on, but it's gonna sound awful because there's ice on the unit. Well, no, it's not gonna sound awful right now, but it's gonna be soon enough.